ever just hop on a ship and see where the starlight takes you? Got a ship, got a map, got a course unplanned. Follow the stars, let them guide my hand. Got no boss, got no rules, got no solid ground. I just go where the echoes sound. Some folks like their lives real steady. Me, I like my thrusters ready. Yeah. I'm just a wayfinder, living free, drifting through the stars where I wanna be. No destination, no wrong or right, long as I got me a scalpel of light. Stopped on the moon for a drink and a chat. Met a simple said,
what kind of life is that?
you got no plan, you got no home. I said, buddy, the stars are all I've ever known.
Suckles got their codes all written.
Me, I go where fate is drifting. I'm just a wayfinder, living free.
Drifting through the stars is where I wanna be.
No destination, no wrong or right.
Long as I got me a sky full of light.
Now don't get me wrong, I love a safe port turn up, but stay too long and life gets short. Now don't get me wrong, I love a safe port trail, but stay too long and life gets short. So I raise my glass and I sail away blast, 'cause I'll find another world someday. I'm just a wayfinder living free, drifting through the stars where I wanna be. No destination, no longer be. No destination, no longer love. Stay for turnabout, living the sky full of light, full of light. Oh! I'm just a wayfinder living free, but stay to the stars where I wanna be.